Pegasus spyware software real or real? Worst circumstances people around the world are facing as their mobile phones are being hacked by hackers. In spite of being against law, new spyware softwares are invented for many needs. One of those is Pegasus spyware, introduced for military confidential project and welcomed with red carpet legally in international markets for government's sake. As days passed, spyware was used for illegal purposes. This software is definitely gonna ruin your privacy by sharing the secret data of your device. What data are being leaked? For the past few decades, mobile phones remain everyone's personal diary. Imagine someone is spying your calls, chat box, contact list, and your GPS data. It can also activate your camera and microphone of the infected device. Pegasus can infect the device without your knowledge and compromise your entire data. How worse the situation is, 24 into 7 we are under surveillance in a democratic country. Is privacy no more a fundamental right? Like and share this video if it's really helpful to know about issues happening around. Comment your review and also many more topics to be discussed in the comment box below. Support us by subscribing to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to be notified. How this software infects your best companion? You receive it through SMS, iMessage and WhatsApp chat from an unknown source. Your brain is already eagerly waiting to know about the unknown. You click open the message and enter the link. That's it. Spyware installation has begun and someone is ready to watch you every now and then. Patients might rise. Instead of opening the message, I'll delete the message. It's not programmed so a bit scary. Pegasus started not a week or month back. It was found in 2016 by the Israeli cyber arms firm NSO Group and sold to their government clients for military uses. Spyware named so after the mythical winged horse Pegasus. This spyware is illustrated as Trojan horse that can be sent flying through the air to infect phones. Julio and Larry's version of Silicon Valley story starts in a renovated chicken coop on a kibbutz in central Israel. A controversial topic is whether only Android or iOS is hacked, neither both. Concerns rise, is it safe to use Android or iOS? Android device OS are done manually by user to install applications, but iPhone OS unlock phone for use on alternative cellular networks. Spyware software also infect Android devices but isn't as effective. Apple devices update to the latest iOS version by automatic patch installation process. And your Android devices are open source concepts. Ultimately, both platforms are vulnerable equally. Allegedly, 50,000 phone numbers are monitored worldwide by Pegasus. As spyware remains covert and undetected on your device, it can be identified simply by calls and messages that wasn't made by you, but you can see it on your screen. This simple ways helps to confirm your phone is being hacked. Pegasus is spanning more than 50 countries as said by the journalists and the forensic reports. The group of people being spied are members of the Arab royal family, business executives, human rights activists, journalists, politicians, and government officials, and much more. Julio, the founder of Pegasus, reported that customers misused the software, so they shut systems who misused it and failed to reveal countries involved in that project. How you can safeguard from spyware is by simple steps. Steps you can do to maintain privacy are never open links from an unknown source. Make sure your OS or iOS is up to date. Use PIN, fingerprint, or face lock to secure your device. Avoid public and free Wi-Fi services or use along with VPN while using these sources. Encrypt data by enabling remote wipe features so when your phone is stolen, the data delete on its own. Do like and share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay safe and spread positivity in this pandemic. Bye bye.